We'll guide you through how to use game capture on OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in OBS, and so you're wanting to go and use game capture. This is a great way of capturing games. We're going to guide you through what you need to know. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering important things throughout this whole video. So without any further ado, let's go and dive straight into this. So to get started, what I like to do is come to the bottom right and open your settings. In here, come to the left, you can go and find hotkeys. What you can do is go and set a hotkey to go and start and stop recording. You can see for me, I use F10, and you can do it if you're streaming as well. Just so when you're playing the game, you can just go and press the hotkey and go and get recording or streaming. You don't need to come out of the game and open up OBS. Press apply and press OK. Now what you can do here is you want to come into scenes, and you can come to the bottom left here and press the plus. And you can give this a name. I could go and name this game. We can go and click OK. Now you want to come into sources, and you can go and press the plus at the bottom, and you want to go and find the option for game capture. You can click there and press OK. Now we can come into mode, and you can go and choose whether you want to go and capture any full screen application, a specific window, or capture the foreground window, the hotkey. I usually go and use one of these top two. So let's go and start off by using the capture specific window, as that does require an extra step. You can click on it. Now what you need to do here is you want to make sure you've got the game open. So I already have Minecraft open like here, but you could go and open up the game you want to do it with. And then you can always go and press Control, Alt and tab back to OBS to go and get out of the game. Then you can go and click window, and you can go and find what you're looking for. So in this case, I'm looking for Minecraft. Of course, yours can be different. Then you can go and press OK, and it's appearing like that because Minecraft is currently minimized, but it should go and appear. As you can see, it's now appearing in OBS. You have to be patient. And if I then go and make it full screen properly by pressing F11, my OBS recording will go black as well there. Now I can go and press the hotkey I made to go and start recording or streaming, and I could go live. It's that simple. And alternatively, what you can also do is go and change the mode to capture a full screen application, which is this top one here, capture any full screen application. And with that selected, if we go and make this full screen, OBS will then go and detect that. And then when you go and press your streaming hotkey or your recording hotkey, you'll then be capturing the full screen application. You don't need to choose a specific one.